Welcome to this video. In this video, you're going to learn how to get backlinks from video submission websites. If this is your first time of watching this video, if this is your first time of watching my video, I make videos on backlinks just like the one you're watching right now, blogging tips, and how to make money online. So subscribe to this channel to get notification whenever I make new videos. So back to the video. So this is one of the sites I've been working on to improve the ranking and traffic to this site. As you can see, it has 1.2 million impressions in the last 3 months and 167,000 clicks in the last 3 months. So let me show you another site. This is first site. Let me show you another site I'm working on. This is another site I'm working on. As you can see, it's having 51,000 total impression and 8.1 total clicks. So let me show you the third site, another site. This is having 335k total impression and over 49,000 total clicks. This site initially was having huge traffic before the Google update last year. Let me take you back to 6 months. As you can see, look at the result it was getting in the last 16 months before the Google update around October 2022. It went down. It went down from this to this, which asked me it's not that bad. While I wait for it to come up back, and I keep working on it to get back the result it was initially getting. So why am I showing you all this? It is possible to get this kind of result by what I'm showing you in this channel, how to build backlinks to your site. If you need my link building services, you can check the link below. You will see a link to my link building services. So let's go back to the video of video submission website. So this is what this video submission website is going to do for you when you use it. It can help to index your blog post. If your blog post is not yet indexed, or you have a new blog post you want it to get indexed fast, you can use video submission website to get it indexed. Also, it can help to increase the DA of your site. It helps to increase the DA of your site, increase ranking, and increase traffic. When you post your link of your website on image on video submission website, it helps to increase the traffic. And lastly, which is one of the reasons we build it, is to get free backlinks to your site. It increases the number of backlinks, quality backlinks to your site. But before you start building links to your site, it is advisable you do on-page SEO. On-page SEO. To achieve the type of results I got on those 3 sites, you must make sure you first do on-page SEO on your site. What does this entail? 1, it is with doing keyword research on your site. You do keyword research. From the result of your keyword research, you write an article and optimize the content. And after optimizing the content, also you interlink the content to each other. Interlink the content to each other. And lastly, you interlink to the most important page on your website. This will help that your particular post or page should rank higher on Google search results. Then another thing about on-page SEO is you optimize your home page, that is your mental description of your page. This helps to tell Google or the search engine what your site is all about. Make sure you put your most important keywords, on the home page mental description. Then optimize your category and tags by adding keywords that are particular to that category and tags. Then your domain name, on page SEO, this domain name that is including keywords. If you have not bought a domain name for your site, when you want to buy a domain name, you can add your keyword in the domain name when buying domain name. Then we have technical SEO, the technical aspect of on-page SEO, which deals with your site speed, whether you have 404 error on your site, and so on. If you want me to make a detailed video on on-page SEO, comment below and I'll make a well-detailed video on on-page SEO. So once you have done all this, then you can start building backlinks to your site. And when you're building backlinks, you don't build one type of backlinks, you bring different types of backlinks to your site. This will make your site backlinks profile look natural and help to increase the traffic and ranking of your site. We have types of backlinks, which are profile, image, video, audio, social bookmarking, citation, web 2.0, and so on. The list is more than this. So all these backlinks this type of backlinks I've just mentioned is a free and easy to get backlinks. That is, it can be easily rebuilt, but it doesn't mean it's less quality. This type of backlinks can help to increase the ranking and traffic of your site, especially if the keywords is low, that is, it has a low competition. This type of backlinks can help to increase the traffic of your site. Then we have the other type of backlinks. These ones, I call them paid backlinks. You have to pay for it to get it. One includes guest post, niche edit, and BBM. This type of backlinks are usually paid for. When you create your site, the first backlinks you should concentrate on is these backlinks, easy to get backlinks. And after building them, before you move to this guest post, niche edit, and BBM, then we may ask, how many numbers of these backlinks should I build to my site? You can build profile, you can build 30, then image, you can build 10, video, you can make it 5, audio 5, social bookmarking 10, so citation maybe 25. So you're going to build good numbers of each of these backlinks to your site. Once you have done that, most of the times, depending on how competitive the niche you are is, it can help to improve the ranking of your site. And when you improve the ranking of your site and your site start getting traffic or start doing well on search results, in turn you can get free backlinks from sites you want to pay to get backlinks. Site will freely link to your site because your site is doing well on search results. Now this is the video submission site list you need to build backlinks from. Number 1 is YouTube YouTube is one of the best video sharing platform in the world. On YouTube, you can get backlinks by creating account on YouTube. Make a video and put the link of your site in the description or comment of the YouTube video. Outside this Vimeo, this is also a very good site to get backlinks from. Then we have MySpace, we have DTube. Getting backlinks on YouTube is very easy. You can use your already posted video on YouTube and get backlinks on d.tube. Very easy. Then we have TikTok. You can get backlinks on TikTok by putting the URL of your website on the profile page of your TikTok account. They have Instagram also, just like TikTok, you can get backlinks on the profile of your TikTok account. Then we have LinkedIn. You can get backlinks when you post a video, and on the description of the video you can add the link of your site. One of the best ways to get backlinks that will drive traffic to your site and also increase your ranking is YouTube. YouTube covers all this. You get traffic to your site. Then these are other video submission site lists you can use to get backlinks. Over 50 of them. So you can check them out and build backlinks, quality backlinks to your site. So these are the ways to get free backlinks to your site using video submission website links. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video, and if you have any question, comment below and I'll answer every of your question. And if you need my link building services, check the description below. You will see a link to my backlinks building services. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.